Hello guys, H2B here. Welcome back to another video, and today we'll show you how you will just back up your chats and messages and videos, everything in WhatsApp. So for that you will have to install the existing WhatsApp. So we already installed the existing WhatsApp, and we'll go to the Play Store. So let's proceed. Now search for WhatsApp. Yeah, this one is right there, and we'll just install the software. So we'll have to create the backup file already. Well, before you need to get the backups, you must have to create a backup file. So if you don't know how to create the backup file, we'll let you know in another video. So in this video we'll just show you how you will just restore your all the data like videos, chats, and messages, my contacts, and everything. So the WhatsApp is still on downloading, and it will not take much time, so we'll just have the patience. So that downloaded already. Yeah, the installation has been done, so we'll just open the WhatsApp and we'll proceed. We'll agree all the terms and conditions. So we'll hide the number. So this is some personal issue, so you'll have to put the numbers first. While you have done putting the numbers, then they will send you a verification code so that you will have to verify your ID. So we'll just waiting for the verification, and I hope it will not take much time. So it's not yet there. I hope it will coming soon. Yeah, we have successfully put our code, and these things pop up like your contacts and media. We'll just let it down, continue, and I'll have to give all the access needed in our device. And yeah, we are looking for the backups right now, so the backups are already been there, so we'll have to restore this. Yeah, as you can see, the backup size is very huge. It's 1.8 GB, so it will be downloading very soon. So yeah, this is the way how you will just get your backup in the WhatsApp. And there is no other option, like you must have to install the app after creating the backups in WhatsApp. Then you will have to reinstall it and start the work from the beginning. So yeah, that's all from today guys. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button for more. Hope see you all soon. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.